Hi students, welcome to our online classes. Students, in previous classes we have already studied about the standard form, place value, face value, and how to expand a number, and how can we arrange ascending order and descending order. Now students, it's time for review these lessons once again. Review means what we have learned from this chapter. We will check our knowledge. Okay, how much we have learned or how much we have studied from this chapter. Now we will check. Okay students, are you ready everybody? So open the textbook, page number 20. Look at see here 1.9 review 1 to 999. Okay, so there is some question is given, we have to complete or we have to solve these questions. Okay, now we will check how much we have learnt from this chapter. Now we will check. So let's start students. First question. See, always before going to solve any problem you have to read the question very carefully. So first one question you read, write these numbers in standard form. Once again I repeat, write these numbers in standard form. Means these number already given, we have to write in standard form. Okay, so all of you know how to write in standard form. If a number is given, we can write in standard form also. Okay, if a number is given, we can do it expanded, and expanded number if is given, we can do it in standard or we can convert it into standard form. Okay, so see students, first of all question is given. First question, first bit a, 300 plus 20 plus 7. Okay, it is means that it is in standard form. Now we have to write in, sorry, it is in expanded form. Now we have to write in standard form. Okay, see 300 plus 20 plus 7, it is in expanded form. Now how will you write in standard form? We have to write standard form. Question is asking standard form. So 300 plus 20 plus 7, we can add because addition is given, but easily we can say 300 standard form. How can you write? 327. So unit place is 7, 10 place is 2, and 100 place is 3. Okay, so 7, now we will check it whether it is correct or not. 7 is in unit plus, 10 plus is 2 is here, 20 is here, means it is correct. Here 2 is in 10 place, means 20, 3 is in 100 place, means 300. So 327, 327. This is called standard form, and this is called expanded form. Understood? Students, other I can say you in another way. You just see carefully. See student, here 300 plus 20 plus 7 is there, means 3 digit number should be come, because already given 3 digit means 300. 300 means 3 digit should be come. So first take 3 digit, then take 2 digit, then take 7 digit. 327 means 327. Understood students? So like this you have to do. 700, question number B, 707. 700, you can write down, this is 700 plus 700 and 7, and plus nothing is there in 10 place. So 10 plus is nothing, means 0, and 7 is there, means unit plus. So we can write 7, we can take 7 plus 10 plus nothing is there, means 0 we have to write, then 7 is unit plus. So 707, 707 means 1, 10, 100. This is called standard form. This is called expanded form. Okay, understood students? So like this 327 and 707. So like this student, question number C and question number D you have to do in books and workbook also, or you have to copy to these things in your classwork. Okay, for every questions I will give 2-3 examples, remaining you have to do. Okay, if you will not unable to do, then you ask me, you contact with me. Okay, so for every questions I will give 1 or 2 examples, remaining you have to complete. Understood students? So I will explain this. 500, 8 tens and 9 ones, means 500, 8 tens, 9 ones. Now you can write how much it is, which is the standard form for this. Question number D, greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number you have to write. Okay, greatest 3-digit number. This is for you. I am not writing. Okay. So now come to question number 2. This one you have to do, students. Okay, like this way you have to complete this. Write the place value of 6 in each of the numbers. Once again I repeat, write the place value of 6 in each of the number. Already number is given here 689, here 460, here 986. Already 9 number is given. We have to write the place value of 6 for each number. Okay, place value means, students, where the digits will be sit. This is the place value of these digits, means this number. Question is telling the write the place value of 6. For 6, everywhere 6 is there. Yes or no? 6 are there. So we have to write the place value of 6. Okay, place value means where this 6 is sitting, or where this a particular digit is sitting. This is the place value for this digits. Okay. So now we have to write the place value of 6. So we have to, before going to write the place value, we have to read the numbers from right side. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. So 6 is sitting which place? 100 place. 1, 10, 100. So 600 is the place value for this number. Okay, so 600 is the place value for this number. Understood? So like this here, 1, 10, 100, which is the place value, you have to write like this. Similarly, how it is 600, you have to write like this. And this is the 1, 10, 100. 6 is sitting in unit place, so which is the place value of the 6, you have to write. Understood, students? Now come to question number 3. Write these numbers in expanded form. Write these numbers in expanded form. Here you student, look at here, number is given expanded form, means expand means it will be the number be separate. Okay, place value according to their place value, the number will be divided like this. Here we have to do same things. Here number is given expanded form, we converted into standard form. Here number is given standard form C, we have to write in expanded form, because question is asking write these numbers in expanded form. We have to expand the number. How? So 1, 10, 100. So before going to expand, we have to read the number 1, 10, 100. So 7 is sitting 700 plus 700 plus 8 is sitting 10 plus 8 plus 9 is sitting 9 unit plus. So 1, 10, 100. So 700 plus 80 plus 9. That means see 780 plus 9. That is called expanded form. So like this student, for this you can do like this similarly, and for 210 also you can expand the numbers. Understood, students? Now question number 4. Write these numbers in ascending and descending orders. Okay, students, write number is given 885, 858, 588 in ascending and descending order. You might have known that, students, ascending means we have to go from small number to big number. Okay, descending means big number to small number. We have to arrange this. So like this student, 3 numbers is given. One is 885, another one is 858, another one is 588. So first is asking ascending order, then we have to do descending order. So first ascending order means small to big. So this is small to big number. Okay, so who is the small among three numbers? This is first. Before going to arrange the numbers ascending or descending order, students, you have to keep in your mind, first see the digits are same everywhere. So now you have to compare the, means this is the three digit number, here 3 digit number, here 3 digit number. Now we will compare the numbers. Here 588, here 858, here 885. So small is 588 first. Then compared to this, who is big? This is the 858. Okay, after that this one is big. So 885. Understood, students? So this is the number of ascending and descending. Understood? And descending order also you have to do from big to small. Okay, already I one completed. This is for you, you have to complete. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Next question, question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. See, first we have to read 703 tens 80 ones is dash 780 tens 3 ones. That means here 703 tens 8 ones. You can write in standard form also. 703 tens means 30. It will be sit in 10 plus, and 8 ones means 8 plus, unit place. Okay, like this 708 tens 3 ones means 1 10 100, 780 ones, 8 tens 3 ones. Here 738, here 783. So it will be the option you have to choose, greater than or less than or equal. So it will be less than. Okay, why less than? Always you have to see the left side number, whether the number is greater than or smaller than, less than or greater than compared to right side number. Okay, so it is the small compared to this right side number, so it is less than the 783. Okay, understood, students? Now here question number B, 404 in expanded form is written as, you have to choose the option, correct option is given below. So 404 you can expand like this. Here also we did expanded form. So which one is correct, you have to do. It is very easy, for so that I am not doing, you have to solve it. Okay, if you will get any doubt again, then I will tell you. Okay, like this question number C, 563 dash 653. You have to put, insert the proper sign. You know, this is the greater than sign, and this is the smaller than sign, and this is the equal sign. So just now I said you, always check the left side number, whether it is small or big compared to right side number. So it is big number, so we have to write, put greater than symbol. Okay, so I explained you, you have to put the proper sign. Understood, students? Okay, now complete the number strip. Complete the number strip counted by. Okay, here number is given and strip is given, so and we have to complete the number strip counted by first ones, twos, fives and tens. That means we have to increase one by one, we have to go forward. Here twos means we have to add 2 2, we have to go forward, 2 2. Here fives means 5 5, we have to go forward. Here tens means 10 10, we have to go forward by counting the numbers. Okay, so first is given 990, means he is telling first 1 1 we have to counted forward. So first 990, then 991, because the first one is telling you have to go one by one forward. 992, like this 993, 994, you have to complete the strip. Okay, this is for you only. So next question, toes, means this number, given number, we have to add or we have to counted by 2 2, we have to go forward. By counting 2 2, we have to go forward. Okay, because 2 is given. So 474, so 474 we have to add 2, 475, 476. Okay, so 476. Again for this number we have to add 2 or we have to count it by 2. So 476, 477, 478. So 478. We are counting 2. We are going forward by counting 2 2. Okay. So like this 480, 78, 79, 780. Okay. So like this we have to fill up to this. Understood, students? Now come to third question. 5s. We have to go forward by counting 5 extra. 665. So we have to count 665, 666, 667, 668, 669 and 670. Okay. 665 is given. We have to add 5. We have to go forward by counting 5 students. Okay. So first of all we have to count 666, 667, 668, 669 and 670. Understood, students? 670. Again for this number we have to go forward by counting 5. So 670, 671, 672, 673, 674, 675. So 675 and remaining like this by counting 5 you have to fill up this. Understood, students? Now we have to count by tens. Okay, we have to go forward by counting tens. Okay, so question is given 899. So we have to count 10. Okay, 10. 899, this is 100, means 900, 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 910. Sorry, 909. Okay, so 909. We are going forward by counting 10. Once again I am telling student 899 is given. We have to count 10. 899, this is 900, 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909. Understood? Now again we have to go forward by counting 10. We have to start from 909. Okay, so this is 909, 910, 911, 912, 913, 914, 915, 916, 917, 918, 919. Okay, so 919 because we are going forward by counting 10. Here 10. Okay, here 5, here 2, here 1. We are going forward by counting like this. Okay, so students, I hope all of you understood, and whatever I left, you have to fill up this, because for every question I gave 2-3 examples. So like this way you have to complete the remaining questions. Or any doubt you can ask me, or you can come to school also. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood. So students, first fill up this question in your textbook. Next, if it is correct, I will put sign, then you copy to your classwork. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood. So thank you very much, students. Take care.